if we do crash into a yacht, I'll just buy it. Look at this one right. Look! Oh my God!
Right there, right there. There's two right here. There's four. Nice shot.
Champagne, some orange juice.
Excellent.
Yes.
And they look very tasty.
Look very tasty. We gave Eddie one that wasn't so strong.
It wasn't so strong. Excellent.
Because he's the driver.
Fabulous.
And we don't want our driver drunk.
That's right.
What character
Hi.
are you?
I'm playing Lovey Howell. Howell, right? Yeah. As you can see from the pearls.
Very nice.
My favorite part of the scarf.
Nice hat.
She's a little modern Lovey. She wears fleeces now. Before it would be, a nice Chanel, Coco Chanel jacket. But we gotta improvise.
And you had the umbrella.
Oh Jesus! Yes,
Where
we'll
is
have
it?
to film
Well,
that later.
we should, like-
Yeah, I do have it.
Okay.
There he is.
It's like all the paparazzi get.
He's like, oh, thanks for waking me up. There, so you can get your cigarette wrap really quick and then pull you out a little bit so you're not banging against the boat. So, just do what? Jeez.
Put your tush right there.
Yep, tush right there, and I'm going to stabilize it. So as soon as you sit down, then you'll get stable.
Okay. Ready?
Yep.
1, 2, 3.
Oh my God! What if it almost
Perfect.
fell?
Freezing fucking cold.
Okay.
Wait, is this the right way?
Yeah.
Husband's in the water.
I'll grab you some good pictures.
You want your hat?
No.
Okay, so you got it. So now you're holding the paddle exactly right. So just, you know how you bend kayaking at all? Okay, no, so you want to dig this in, so it's like that. So you're like,
Here you go, girl.
go Sonia.
Keep going.
Are you going to the seal also? There's no wave coming. Just don't go so far. See how what?
Sonia, tell me what's happening with Eddie.
He's walking with it, waiting for the breaker to
Now
catch.
tell the camera. Sonia.
You're on camera, Sonia.
Sonia.
Huh? Oh! Gary is having a very difficult time getting through the breaker.
Is he in it?
Oh, quick, go.
The breaker
here comes
is
another big wave.
the breaker
Eddie, go,
is
Eddie.
Let's get a wreck him.
Go, Eddie.
the breaker
Oh, no,
is
fast.
Oh
Go, Eddie.
Oh, he made it.
no! He did it!
No.
No.
Oh, he's closer to the
Yeah.
Come on, Eddie, you can do it.
Closer than he's ever been.
He's now side by side.
Okay, he's
with
in it.
the
He's in
He's
it.
gonna get wrecked. He's gonna get wrecked.
But
Hurry! You
he's
better
crazy.
hurry out. He's paddling. He's paddling. Paddle.
Oh.
Oh,
Oh,
nice.
he made